on, guys? We're here in the garage today. I'm trying to answer a question for you that I had myself that I couldn't really find a clear, definite answer on. We got here a 2006 Pontiac GTO. It's got an LS2 motor in it, and the question was, what set of MSD wires should I run on this? Because that's just what I prefer, is to run MSD wires. So what we're going to do today is we got the two sets of MSD wires. We're going to ohm those out and test those against the stock spark plug wires, and then I'm going to fit them on the vehicle as well, and I'm going to show you what those look like when they're on the vehicle. So the part numbers I have here are 32819. That is for the LS1 motor, and as you might know, this has the LS2 engine in it, so these spark plug wires would work perfectly fine on the 04, and we're going to show you how they fit on the 0506 GTO as well as other LS2 vehicles out there. There's some C6 Corvettes, the Pontiac GA GT, things like that. And the other ones we have here are the 32829, which are the MSD spark plug wires that come on, that will go on a LS1 pickup truck or kind of any LS-based model pickup truck. Another option you have, if you want to go that route, is to just get a universal set and build your own 2-length, or you can go with a different brand. I didn't want to do a universal set because you're only running an 8mm wire, and the built sets from MSD come at 8.5, and I know it's not a lot, but bang for your buck kind of thing. So we're going to pull these out of the package here. We'll look at them, we'll compare them, we'll ohm them all out, and I'll install all three on the vehicle and show you the LS1 wire, car wire, the LS1 truck wire, and the stock wire, what they look like and which one I prefer. So here we have, this is the 32828. This is the LS1 truck series wire. I believe this is 12 inches. This is the stock LS2 GTO spark plug wire. It's got a heat boot on it, so if you remove that, that's kind of the length of the actual spark plug wire. You can see here, it's extremely close to the truck series wire. And then here we have the LS1 wire. Now this will fit the car, but this gray boot will end up kind of bent. But if you choose to run these for whatever reason, so those are just 3 wires. Okay, so first what we're going to do here, we got our fluke meter set up. It's on ohms. To read the amount of resistance, we're going to check the amount of resistance in the part number 32829 GMLS1 truck MSD spark plug wires, and the 32819 GMLS1 car MSD spark plug wires. So we'll just put this in here. This is the truck. .7 ohms. That's pretty low. 33.7 in this wire, LS1 car. Actually, a little more surprising. We're holding steady. Well, about 39.40 ohms. And that one, the numbers were kind of jumping around a little bit. It might have been me with the wires. Not 100% sure. Next, we're going to go here. We went ahead and removed the heat covers. And we'll test the stock spark plug wires. These do have about 83,000 miles on them. Here we go. So we got a kilo ohms, manual mode. So basically the kilo is 1,000. So we got a 0 and a decimal, 99. So these are 990 something ohms of resistance, whereas this was, I believe, 33 and this was 40. Cool. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take the LS1 truck wire, the LS1 car wire, and the stock spark plug wire. We've reinstalled the heat cover on it. We will test it on the LS2 motor. Okay, so as you can see here, we got a stock spark plug wire on. Next, we'll install the LS1 car. It's a nice firm click. Come up to the coil. Again, a nice firm click, but you can see here how the boot is bent. There. The boot is bent and the wire is tight. And that is just not something I look for. And here's the LS1 truck style. Again, a nice firm click. Come up to the coil. Another nice firm click. You can rotate the bottom, causing the wire to twist. Rotate the top any direction you want. Now it is a little longer than stock, as you can see, but it's not rubbing anything, nor do I believe any of them will on the left or the right side. So just to reiterate, that is part number 32828. That is part number 328. I chose to just buy the LS1 Truck Series wire. Well, I chose to buy both so I can make this video, but I choose to run the LS1 Truck Series wire. That is all. I hope that answers your questions, and you guys have a great night. Hey guys, so thanks for tuning in. Hope you got some good information out of this video. I ended up going with the LS1 truck style wires on this car. Check out the thumbnail, that's what it looked like. Got some more content coming your way. I ended up doing a long tube header install on this car with some catless downpipes. Found a few ways to save money doing that. I also did a duo speed over the radiator intake. I just recently got a gauge pod for this thing. I got a couple gauges coming. It's going to be a cool install video on those. I also got a fast intake with a Nick Williams throttle body and a cam with all the supporting mods. Those might take a while for me to get to because it's pretty cold out here right now. Also, I got some new tires for my green motorcycle. It's not in here right now, but we're going to be powder coating the wheels on that and putting some new tires on it and making it look real nice. So I'm probably going to put a video up on that. I also got my BSA. I got some parts in for that finally. It's a 1958 BSA. I shipped this thing over here from England. So stay tuned for some of that content because I'm going to be getting into that thing and doing some pretty cool videos on that too, hopefully. Also got some headlights for this car. A lot of stuff coming. I already got some of the videos recorded. I just got to edit them. So, I mean, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss nothing. Just some cool stuff going on here. And I hope you guys enjoy it. And thanks for tuning in. Peace.